On July 12, 1962, the Rolling Stones gave their first public performance at the Marquee Club in London. This historic event marked the beginning of one of the most influential rock bands in history. The band at the time consisted of Mick Jagger on lead vocals, Keith Richards on guitar, Brian Jones on guitar, Dick Taylor on bass, Ian Stewart on piano, and Tony Chapman on drums. The Marquee Club, located at 165 Oxford Street, was a very popular venue for jazz and blues musicians and played a pivotal role in the British music scene during the 1960s. The Rolling Stones' debut performance at this club was part of a gig for Alex Corner's Blues Incorporated, which had been a regular act at the venue. When Corner's band had a BBC radio session scheduled, the Stones were invited to fill in. This early lineup of the Stones was still experimenting with their sound, primarily playing blues covers by artists such as Chuck Berry, Muddy Waters, and Jimmy Reed. The setlist for their first performance likely included songs that showcased their blues influences and raw musical energy. The performance at the Marquee Club set the stage for the Stones' meteoric rise to fame. Within a few months, they secured a residency at the Crawdaddy Club in Richmond, which further solidified their reputation and expanded their fan base. By the following year, they had signed a record deal with Decca Records and released their first single, a cover of Chuck Berry's Come On. The Rolling Stones' debut at the Marquee Club is now seen as one of the most significant moments in rock and roll history. These are Interesting Things with JC.